Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's video, we will go over how to create a Printful quick store. This is useful if you don't have a current website, but you want to get started with print-on-demand products. First, log in or create your Printful account. From there, we will go to Stores and we will click Create Store Now at Quick Stores. Here, we will choose between having the customer pay at checkout, where we sell products and earn the profit, or to charge me for orders, which will be to sell free products to employees, team members, or partners. For this tutorial, we will use that customers will pay at checkout, and we will click Continue. Now we'll put in the name of our store, our website address, and default markup. Now that we have our name, our address, our logo, and our markup set, we will click I agree to Quick Store's terms of service. You can click here to read the terms of service, then create store. Once our store is created in Printful, we are able to go through and add products and view your store to share it. We see we have our logo above. We have a section for our products and all the helpful links here below. So that is how to create a Printful quick store.